So when you come in to see the physiotherapist, what should you be actually expecting to occur? Probably for me, the thing that I like to get across to my patients, the most important part of the journey of helping you get better is that initial consult. And part of that initial consult, or a major part of that initial consult, is determining the reasons why you have that discomfort or dysfunction or pain, whatever it is that is affecting your life. And the most important part of that is the two types of assessments that we do. We call them subjective and objective. Subjective basically means we talk to you, we're trying to get information, so we'll draw information out of you. That information is often enough for us to create a diagnosis, what's going on. Once that's occurred, and you'll probably find that there'll be lots of information drawn out of you by lots of different questions. And some of the questions will seem a bit out to left field a touch, because we're trying to determine what is the cause of it, but just as importantly, what is not causing your pain. Once we've determined often 2, sometimes 3 things that we think are probably the cause of your problem, then we'll actually go and do this objective assessment. And objective means a physical examination. And the physical examination really is only about determining which of those 3 things is the cause of your issue. It helps us rule out one thing and rule in some others. And by the time we finish both forms of assessment, we should have a very clear idea of what your condition is, or what's the cause of your condition. From there, we can then formulate a plan and put that plan together. In that very first session, you may only get a short amount of treatment time, because the treatment in that period of time is really a way of helping us decide whether we've actually hit the mark or not. So we'll do a form of treatment that may make some changes. And when you come back for the next session, what you tell us about what's happened or what's occurred from that treatment will help us then determine whether our plan of action is going to be correct or we need to modify that slightly.